That's funny.
Let me see.
You don't even know what you're laughing at. I could show you a picture of anything right now. You'd probably laugh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Today I have two special guests.
Today.
This is Erilyn. She's sick, so she's been super cuddly today. And I have my husband helping me out. He needs to use a Biore strip on his nose. So we are going over March's Ipsy, and I am trying on a few of these items for you guys, so you guys can see how they work. Some of them I can't because they're like shower items. What? Because they're like shower items. And this is it $25? This is $25 a month. And you get 5 full-sized items, or, you know, travel-sized items. So, I'm going to go over these with you real quick, and then the second part, I'm going to try on the 3 items, or use one of the items and try on the other 2. What? So, my husband's going to say this, since I'm holding my daughter, and I'm just going to show you the products, and he's going to say the price. Don't forget the price.
First up is the Coffee Scrub Coconut Body Scrub.
Nice.
MSRP $21.99. I could probably make this for you out of our coffee pot.
Probably. We just got new coffee today. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, it changes colors.
I'm so excited!
So I'll use this in the bathtub and see if it clogs the drain.
Man, it'll leave your skin feeling smooth, not stripped.
Nice. That's always...
Strip you.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
No, we'll not do that. This is PG.
PG. IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. MSRP $28. It was developed by doctors. Those are the people that have MDs, DOs, and other PhDs. It's a game-changing cleanser serum. Hybrid. Great for all skin types and even sensitive skin.
Yes, I did not use this in the try-on portion, but I am going to use it. Hello again. Hi. How are you? And we did get an Ipsy bag, and this one's really cute because it actually doesn't zip. Look, it actually snaps, and it says unstoppable, like this 3-year-old right here in my lap. Colors are like pastel pink, neon yellow. Oh look, love, my camera is picking up a neon color. And a teal color. Hey y'all, the bag just broke. The snap is actually stuck to the thing here, so that lasted all of not even 10 seconds. It's cheaply made, so fun fact. Just now I don't know what to do with that. It just snapped right off.
Yeah.
It's got crazy. The coronavirus.
Just popped right off. Well, this is definitely stoppable. That's what I gotta say. Balm Cosmetics AutoBalm Girl Powder.
I see you.
MSRP for $26.50.
Mommy, I see you.
You do see me. These were actually beautiful, you guys. These are blushes. I am obsessed with blushes and highlight. So these are actually really nice. And I love the Balm blushes anyways. And I love that I have a bigger variety. I do have a lot of Balm blushes.
And we have it.
Yeah, we do have it.
Yeah, we do have it. I have a lot of it.
Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover. For those undercover nights when you're in the club and you need to be undercover.
Are you making that up?
Yes, I'm.
Did you just make that? That yes, doesn't say that on the card. Well, it smells like a cupcake. It smells delicious. And this is the color. I love these kind of colors. So they're
that's MSRP $16.
Thank you. They're very flattering. So 16 bucks.
16
There we go. $16 for this.
In my hand.
Stop.
Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. It can be yours for one installment of $26.
Don't say.
26 bucks. Okay. That is right here. This has. I have another brush from this company.
Yeah, but it's not your standard fluffy concealer brush. It has densely packed bristles for a full coverage finish and an angled tip for ultra precise and even application when concealing your under eyes, the sides of your nose, and corners of your face.
So
Boom.
For the nose, I approve because it's pretty scratchy when I applied it, and it actually hurt my under eyes. But I wouldn't suggest it for the under eyes because it did hurt. It was very scratchy, and because it is really dense, it kind of is a little bit too hard for your delicate under eye area. But I will use it for around my nose. I thought that was brilliant, and it also can, you know, help with smile lines. If you have smile line issues like I do.
The last thing on your $1 billion brows, 60 seconds to beautiful brows kit in taupe.
I don't use brow powders. I use brow pomade. I use specifically ABH Dip Brow, and it's because I don't have half of my brows because I pluck them because they drag my eyes down. So powders don't really do much for me on bare skin, so I don't use powders. I'll be putting this in a giveaway, so I can't tell you how well this works or what the color looks like on my skin tone. So
MSRP for that is $24, and it even says got light to dark brown brows. Give them a quickie makeover with this easy to use kit.
So I'll be giving you guys a quickie makeover for $26 with this brow powder in a giveaway coming up at some point on my channel. I've got a ton of stuff in a box over here in the corner that I'm going to do giveaways with. So.
And as always, we celebrate you.
Aww.
Oh, see that? That's so cute.
Alright, you guys. Well, if you would like to see me try on the few products that I did, then just keep watching. But otherwise, here is the box total right here. Invisible box total, because I don't like to do math.
Somewhere.
And, yeah, if you guys want to see me try these on, then just keep watching.
Bye!
So, before I do the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the eyeliner with this odd-shaped brush. Did I just say eyeliner or concealer?
Eyeliner.
Oh, man. I meant concealer. I use Tarte Shape Tape. I don't use that much. I normally use my damp sponge, and I use the pokey side of it. So I have this on before it dries. I'm just going to quickly pat this out, see how this brush works. If it's streaky, it's got this little triangle tip, so hopefully that gets in these tiny areas. Okay, this is kind of scratchy. Like, it's kind of stabby. This is definitely like stabby on your eye, and because these are so dense and hard, it's really not very comfortable to push down on your delicate under eye area. Alright, so there's one. Let me go ahead and use the sponge for my second one. Much softer. Not stabby whatsoever. So there's both sides. This side, I feel like it didn't blend out as nicely, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this off with the sponge and kind of buff these edges out. Alright, I am going to do the rest of my powders real quick, and then I'll come back on and do the blushes. So now I'm going to use this blush palette. I'm going to use a little bit of a tinier brush just because these are kind of small, so I think I'm going to use this pink, and then I'm going to use this highlighter on top of that. This blush is super pigmented. I'm going to add Fifth Avenue just a little bit on top of the blush. Oh yeah, you can see that glow. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a peachy rose champagne. And I'm just going to take a little bit and use that as my highlight. It is a little bit peach, so don't use too much. And now we're going to go to the lips. So this color, I chose to do this eye color look because I thought this lipstick would look pretty with it. There's the lipstick. It reminds me of the NYX, what is it, the Whips or something like that. Like the way that it applied on your lips. And it dries down really fast, and it is really comfortable actually. So I like it. I mean, a wear test might prove otherwise, but for the most part, it looks beautiful. And I like this color. It's a cute soft toned pink. So from the things that I tried on and used, I did not like this brush at all. It's very scratchy. It hurts, definitely way too harsh for your under eye. I mean, maybe if I used it lightly, but it didn't seem to blend it out very nicely. So I can see if I can use this for something else. I mean, it's got a cool shape. I think that would be pretty neat to do, like maybe the contour on the side of your nose or under your lip. I don't know. I'll figure out what to do. Maybe like tap in my smile lines and make them disappear forever. Oh, actually that works nicely. The lipstick is really nice, and I love the Balm blushes. I have a lot of their blushes actually, and they are a beautiful formula. And these two blushes are really, really pretty. This peach blush is perfect for my skin tone, and this one is super unique. It could almost be a bronzer actually. It's a little bit brown, but I think I could pull that off as a blush. If not, I could definitely pull it off as a bronzer. And the highlight is nice. It's not super crazy in your face. It's subtle, but it is really pretty. And I love their packaging. I mean, they've always had really adorable packaging. You could easily remove these and put them in with other magnetic palettes if you guys like to, you know, depot stuff and put stuff in their own palettes. But this is a really cute little palette, so I enjoy the Balm. I've always enjoyed them. But that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes. Bye!
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 Bye.
Normally I hold the box up, but it's got a big sticker on it. It's an asshole.
Boom, boom, boom. You
Hold.
can hold up this broken thing. I got to go. Pay, urinate.
Make sure to close the door because I'm recording.
Here, Cutie.
Are my smile lines I've got some deep smile lines, don't I? Still going all over my... Thank you. So you guys can see, I love the... Hello? Whoa.
Oh, yo, jungle love.
Wanna get your cheek?
So now I'm going to use the lipstick. No, I'm going to use the blush. Oh, no. I'm sweaty in here. I always guarantee that you... But, these were lovely, you guys.
I have my booty butt.
What?
My
Booty
booty
butt.
butt.
What
know,
about
booty
your booty
butts.
butt?
Booty butt.
Stop.
Booty butts.
Okay, next.
Booty butt.